You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation in English, a word from French, émolument. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more fascinating videos for you. Emoluments, the English pronunciation. Some say some say emoluments, emoluments. Stress on the mo syllable. Emoluments or emoluments, same thing, emoluments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.